I was traveling to work on my motorcycle. It was a pretty normal thing for me, wearing full gear. And unfortunately, there was another vehicle that, hit me from the back. So I went down, sustained some pretty heavy injuries in my back. We were researching online, and we were having a hard time finding anyone who would represent our style of case, and trying to find someone who was going to, even be credible. So we had actually stumbled upon you guys through good reviews, and we trusted in that, and we made one of the initial calls, setup calls, and it just felt like it was right from there. So. From there, they really took care of us. I have never been in the situation, so I didn't know what to expect. So I expected maybe it would be difficult to manage, or it'd be like a lot of stress or phone calls or whatever. But they just made it really easy. Carol, she would call me and make sure things were all right. She made sure my all my papers that needed to be submitted were submitted on time, and she got everything done earlier than expected. So it was all like a big surprise to me how easily it went, and how easy it made my recovery too, because that was the big focus at home, but we were also, not trying to worry about those external things, and we were well taken care of in that process. So you got it. Shouts out to Brooks Law Firm. 100%, this would be the place to go. I wouldn't have any doubts that this is definitely the place to go. They've compensated me and taken care of my bills, and I'm happier now. This is life-changing for me, so.